Did you want to touch on, maybe how things are going score up wise? We've been chatting, obviously a lot of good traction there. Some of these recent partnerships you've announced is mainly because of score up. Is there anything you want to touch on, how that's going, or when do you think that those companies will actually start, using the product if they're not already?
Well, you know what? They're starting to use the product now. We're close to, we're close to nearly 800 subscribers on the product. We're growing by about somewhere between 50 and 100 subscribers a month on it. But we're really, we did a survey out to our users and our partners for them to go out to their clients to show what they think of the product and, the price perspective on it. Is the price point acceptable? What would you think it'd be? What would you like to see? Different features that are beneficial, that are not beneficial in that. So we're actually going to be coming out with a Score Up Lite version in the next few weeks, which will be able to us to lower our price point down to the $19.99 to $29.99 thing, which is nearly half of what we're charging. But it'll open up the opportunity with our API that we're just completing to go into sites that have hundreds of thousands of users and subscribers, which will broaden our audience. Yes, it's a less cost per subscriber, but you're going to have the availability to have a lot more subscribers. Plus, we're putting a payment option. We're doing a payment portal on our site. So people can subscribe, can come on for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, a year. It'll open up a lot of varieties, which will make it a lot more accessible to a broader audience.
Yeah. And we're talking about, maybe even, just to give people a taste. I know we've chatted in the past, what is the opportunity to marble, even just to get a client, let alone get the $19 a month, obviously just having a client in the data collection. Do you want to chat about that a little bit and what that means?
Sure. You know what, what's the benefit to us is we have an opportunity where, other companies have not been able to do, is that we have the opportunity to generate revenue and collect consumer data, financial consumer data in building our Marble score. It's all about the data. It's all about the analytics in us building up a score, which will give not only Marble, but also the general creditor a confidence that when they look to seek out providing credit to a consumer that is underbanked or financially underserved, that the Marble score will give them the confidence of either to lend to them or finance them or not. We hope to, again, our end goal is to become a Equifax TransUnion credit score 3.0.
Yeah. No, and I think it's worth chatting too. I mean, Credit Karma's big success and, their buyout having to do with the amount of information and data they collected.
Yeah.
And obviously, I mean, hey, being able to drop your price to bring in new users is extremely valuable, not only in the $19 a month. That might not sound as exciting as $50 a month, but it's still extremely valuable when it comes to a user acquisition standpoint.
Yeah, but when you have access to millions of users, it's all about that. And the beauty about the product is it's not fixated within our own borders. It can work anywhere in the world where there's reporting agencies that we can garner information. So we're easily adaptable into the US, which is our next market, Mexico, the UK, India, China. It'll be something that, and as this world becomes, a smaller and smaller place, and people, now, clearly now with COVID, people don't move around like they used to, but where it was restrictive before, when you went into a new country, you had to reestablish credit. One of the things that the Marble score will be able to do will be able to transcend people's credit no matter where they are in the world.
Yeah. No, I think that's awesome. Especially, I'm just thinking about the immigration links too.
Oh,
You're working with
yeah.
India. These people are starting to grow a credit over there. What's the kind of relatable credit here and how that impacts them, the benefits that it can have on both a business and a personal standpoint. I think that's awesome. And hey, this is just the beginning, like you said, and hopefully we keep moving forward. And I just wanted this to be a general update. Is there anything else that you wanted to kind of talk about? I mean, obviously, great to hear you guys are raising a little bit of money to keep going to the next level, allowing the directors and other people that really believe in the vision to take a bigger stake too, which is nice. Is there anything else you wanted to touch on?
No, you know what? I would say it continues to provide confidence and really energy in all of our staff in how the consumer has been embracing what Marble's about and what we're doing, and it's something that we strongly believe that Marble will is on a path to become mainstream in the consumer credit and the consumer finance fitness arena, to be part of everybody's goal to be the best they can be, and not only in their financial future but in their health and goodwill, and we just want to be a part of it. And so we'll continue to do what we need to do to help out whatever we can, however we can.
Yeah. No, awesome. Oh, honestly, Mike, it's a pretty good update. Exciting, obviously, a little teaser. I think this was great. We'll kind of leave it here and maybe do another update, once that's done. But unless there's anything you want to say about the business or about anything update-wise, I think we're good to go.
No, I would say thanks for the support to everybody that everybody has invested or looked at us, and please stay tuned, as I think Marble's going to be something that everybody wants, that should have it part of their portfolio in the future.
Well, awesome. Thanks so much, Mike. Good luck with golf.
Cheers. All the best.